Now let's set up our payment processor. To do that, go to the bottom left-hand side and click on Settings. Then let's go up to Payments. By default, you'll have PayPal payments selected, but more customers prefer using Shopify Payments, so I'd recommend going with this. To activate Shopify Payments, click on the Activate Shopify Payments button. We'll first have to submit some information about our business. I'll start this process by clicking on Submit Details. Go ahead and fill out your information here, and I'll meet you at the next step. Once I've filled out all of my personal information, I'll click on Submit for verification. And then I'll turn on two-step authentication. Click on Turn On. Once you're here, go ahead and set up your authentication method of choice. Doing this will significantly improve the security of your Shopify account, and it'll make sure that your account doesn't get hacked or logged into by anyone else in the future. Once it's configured, click on Turn On. Then click on Complete. With this configured, your customers can now pay with Shopify Payments. With our Shopify Payments checkout configured, this is what it looks like for our customers on the back end when they check out on our website. As you can see, they have a t-shirt added into their cart. They can click on Checkout, and our Shopify Payments checkout screen will appear. Once everything's configured, it'll be very easy and streamlined for your customers to buy your products.